Hello everyone, welcome to Sasha Motivated channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, watch my channel always.
Welcome to this tutorial on how to sign up and log into ChatGPT, the AI language model trained by OpenAI. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account, log in, and get started with ChatGPT.
So, we will have to visit the openai.com website. You type that in your web browser, then you enter. When you enter, this is the page you will see. You will see this page. So the next thing we will do is to click the try button. We want to try out this site. So when you click on try, it will load and take us to this page which has welcome to ChatGPT. Login with your OpenAI account to continue. So we have login and sign up. If you're a new user, you sign up. If you already have an account, you just log in. So we'll sign up. When you click sign up, since I already signed up, they bring me an option for the email, but you can still continue with Google. When you click continue with Google, it will take you to select your account. Mine is already linked, so we are continuing. So when you log in, it will bring you to this page. It's a review of ChatGPT. This is a free research preview. Our goal is to get external feedback in order to improve our systems and make them safer. While we have safeguards in place, the system may occasionally generate incorrect and misleading information and produce offensive or biased content. It's not intended to give advice. So we go to the next page, how to collect data. Conversations may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our systems. Please don't share any sensitive information in your conversation. We would love your feedback. This system is optimized for dialogue and let us know if a particular response was good or unhelpful. Share your feedback in our Decode server. So for the very first time, that's what you will see. So after reading the reviews, the guidelines, this is the page that welcomes us to ChatGPT. This is the page. But since this video was all about showing you how to log in and sign up, so in the next video I will show you how to use ChatGPT for important projects. We'll see more in the next video. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. God bless you. See you in the next video.
That's it for this tutorial on how to sign up and log into ChatGPT. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.